Hi guys, eto na lang po tayo sa bagong vlog ng WJ7. Hello po. Yes, good morning po. Shoutout muna kay Rice and Stock, Vanessa Cortez, Kuya Lando, Kuya Mongs, Sen Almo, yan, shoutout na kita. Ma'am Marche, Sir Buboy, Sir Deo Ana, Sir Jonathan Aldosa, Kuya Romero, Sir Harry, Ma'am Pam, Ma'am Cora, Ma'am Saiti, Mark Romulo, Sir Harvey Warren, Joey Boy, Leo Ben, Eric Montances, Leslie Osinal, Rain Garcia. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa patuloy sa panonood ng WJ7. Maraming salamat. Siyempre, tuloy-tuloy ang paglakas natin dahil sa tulong at suporta ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Ito, kain muna tayo ng paborito ko. Yes, ito, piatos and spicy crackling vinegar spicy. Yes, tikman natin ito. Napaka pagkatin ito. Ang sweet. Yes, let's go. Kain po. Yung dadali natin dyan. Marirelax ka talaga.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Dami naman. loko yan.
DJ Torrance on the mix.
Burning in your eyes. You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire. Buried in my soul, California gold.
No, God, please, no, no!
Found the light in me that I couldn't hide. So when I want you, don't every time you say goodbye, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way.
Let's go to work. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with me. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work.
Rock that body, baby. Rock that body. Rock that body, baby. Rock that body. Rock that body, baby. Rock that body. Rock that body, baby. Rock that
Love
body.
is in the night,
No, God, please,
you'll turn
no,
around.
no.
We don't know how to climb, but down we try. We're all already know you're where I wanna go.
word. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work.
DJ
Torrance on the mix.
Burning in your eyes. You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire. Buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't hide. So when I want you to talk, but I can't find the words. Every time